X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. Clipboard. The clipboard has two display formats: 4 large images or 2 columns of 14 images. This maybe changes whenever you desire. The top of the clipboard displays 1 of 12. This is letting you know that one image is selected of the 12 total number of images saved. There is a total exam megabyte count as well. Cine clips display a graphic on the image. To delete the selected image, use the cursor to Set on the trash can graphic. Answer the pop-up. A selected image may be reloaded to image area with a double set. This allows you to modify the post-image options like zoom, gain, TGC, and many others, or measure as generic or calculation package. At Print, decide if you want to keep the original image or replace it with the modified one. The paper with an eye is Preview. To activate Thumbnail Preview, select this icon and move the cursor over to the thumbnail image on the clipboard. The magnified thumbnail image is displayed.